Welcome to JH. Voidara.ai wants you to believe they've built a revolutionary AI platform featuring agents that handle your shopping, fitness, and travel. It sounds like the future, doesn't it? Unfortunately, it's more like a vintage scam with a fresh coat of digital paint. Instead of being a legitimate tech company, it functions as a classic MLM where you pay for overpriced agent packages and only make money by dragging your friends into the same hole. So, is it legit or just a pyramid scheme wearing a ChatGPT mask? Spoiler alert, the AI here might as well stand for absolutely insecure. The first red flag is the total lack of transparency. The company's domain was privately registered just recently, and the website hides its executives like they're in a witness protection program. However, a familiar face named Dennis Noak keeps popping up in their official webinars. If that name rings a bell, it's because he's a professional at making other people's money disappear. With a resume full of collapsed schemes like My Crypto World and Infinity Economics, his involvement isn't just a red flag. It's a giant neon sign telling you to run for your life. It gets even better when you look at the rest of the crew. Another leader, Renz Edouard Diestra, has a track record of failed scams that's longer than a CVS receipt. From Zeek Rewards to Crowd1. These guys have more failed projects than a middle school science fair. Officially, they claim to be a Bulgarian company called ChainPay Solutions, but all signs point to the operation being run out of Dubai. Because nothing says trustworthy financial venture, like a shell company based in a city famous for having almost zero regulations on MLM fraud. As for the actual product, it's basically non-existent. Those so-called AI agents are just white-labeled versions of tech you can probably get elsewhere, likely rented from Microsoft's Azure service. There are no actual retail sales to outside customers, just promoters selling packages to other promoters. In the real world, we call that a pyramid scheme. In Voidara, they call it innovation. It's a clever way to charge you a premium for something that's essentially a glorified chatbot with a referral link attached. So, is Voidara.ai legit? Absolutely not. It's a recycled scam wrapped in AI hype, run by serial scammers who have spent their careers burning through other people's savings. Once the recruitment dries up, the whole thing will collapse faster than a house of cards in a hurricane, leaving everyone at the bottom with empty pockets. Don't let the trendy buzzwords cloud your judgment. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't end up accidentally funding someone else's next vacation to Dubai.